going in there.
Right, so we've got a rod pin here, and we're going to just stick it up on the scaffold so that when we put the end of the lintel up, we can put it on the back so we don't chip anything into the face, and we'll just roll it on the scaffold. But first we've got to get it up there, so we're going to lift it, stick it in the toolbox, lift up a trestle, get it halfway, get a lever point, get a fulcrum, push it up, get it sat on that so we can take the weight off. I'm going to go around the other side, pick it up, stick it on the rod pin, lift up the back and push it through. That way we can muck about with it, play with it a bit, and then stick it on a chock. And Greg and I will just get it up to waist height, pull it up, build it on. Then I'm going to get a pointing key, push it back on the head a wee bit to get it plumb, point in some mortar. If we need to get it over a wee bit, you'll see me using a trowel in a wee minute just to pull it, just slightly get the weight off the lintel. And I'm just going to slide the trowel, here we go here. I just need to move it 5mm. So just going to 1, 2, 3, and I'm just going to pull it under, leverage it up and just slide it over 5mm just to get it bang on to line up a decent centre point. And then we're going to build in sort of around it and onto the corners.
Right, so there's your drawing there, there's your lintel that we've just put in. We got the lintel, we got up here, we got joints.
So now I'm just sticking to bezel. I'm going to build up one of the corners. Greg is going to build up the opposite corner, and just so we can get a line on, so we can go back on Monday and just finish off and try and get up almost to underneath the roof line. So this is just a wee video of building a wee stone in and just put it on point.
Yeah, hey, what, Greg? Just needs a tap. Yeah. It's out the slate, it's close to 6 months.
Right, so we're scraping this back. At the end of the day, brushing it, scraping it back with a pointing key and brushing it so that when we come to point it at the end, I've said this before, point it at the end with one single mix, it's all one colour, You don't get patches in your pointer, and you've got, it's just pretty shite, to be honest. All scraped back, built up, and ready for Monday.